Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in case you are new here, kindly consider subscribing my channel. Okay, in today's video I'm going to show you how to do your own crochet twist. That is DIY crochet twist. First of all, you look what will hold your twist, something like a seat, a stand, or whatever you will feel comfortable with it. Then you look for a yarn, then you tie it around the seat so that you can use it to make your crochet twist on it, like I've done here. So you take your extension, put it onto the yarn like I'm doing, then make sure your extension is balancing. And then when you are going to twist, make sure you are not going to tight them to twist them too tight. Just twist them like this, then to make sure there is where you are going to crochet it a small space. Okay, just twist them slowly like that, not too tight, not too loose. Just look at them. This is a game changer because instead of you going to buy them, you can do them on your own to save money. That is, and the extensions that I'm using are Mali braids, which I already used them to twist my hair. So I'm kind of recycling them. This is not a brand new Mali braids, as I've told you. I'm reusing them, and you can see them how neat they are. Just look at them. Aren't they nice? Aren't they looking great? I like them already. Let's continue. Just take your extension, put it onto the yarn like that. Then twist it. You can see how to twist your hair. It's just a simple process. If you don't know how to twist, just look at them keenly. Then you practice, and practice makes perfect. Just like this. And twisting is fun. If you know how to twist, twisting is fun. Very fun. It's not something tiring. You enjoy twisting it. Okay, I'll continue twisting them till the end so that I can show you the end product. Let's go.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing. persistence and obsession, that's how you keep progressing. I already learned that lesson, yeah. I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving, you can't stop